648. Replace words. This Java code replaces derivatives in a sentence with their corresponding roots from a dictionary. We can use a tree data structure for efficient prefix searching. A tree is a tree-like data structure used to store a dynamic set of strings. Each node in the tree represents a single character, and the path from the root to a node spells out a word. Tries are commonly used for tasks such as autocomplete and spell checking. Explanation 1. Tree node class. This class represents a node in the tree. Each node contains a map of children nodes and a word field to store the root word if the node marks the end of a root. 2. Insert method. This method inserts a word into the tree. It iterates through each character of the word, creating new nodes as necessary, and sets the word at the end node. 3. Find root method. This method finds the shortest root for a given word by traversing the tree. If a root is found during traversal, it returns the root. Otherwise, it returns the original word. 4. Replace words method. This method builds the tree from the dictionary, splits the sentence into words, and replaces each word with its root using the find root method. The result is constructed using a string builder for efficiency. This solution ensures that the replacement operation is efficient by leveraging the tree data structure for fast prefix searching, making it suitable for large inputs.